You ready? Yes. We have Charlie Thomas's Drifters here, and I'm Nature Blu. I'm his daughter. Yes. And it's so lovely to be here with you this morning. It's a little early. I had to try to work the morning frogs out my voice. Ribbit. We're going to do the best we can for you today. And please, please, feel free to join in. The more energy you give us, the better we gonna bring it for you. Feel free to dance. I heard we had some shaggers in the house. Are they? Let's go. Three.
Burn, baby, burn.
We're gonna burn it down, y'all.
Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Listen. To my surprise, 100 stories high. People getting loose, y'all. They getting down on the roof. Look at this. The smoke was flaming out of control. It was so entertaining. When the boogie started to explode, I heard somebody say,
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down, y'all.
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down. Satisfaction came with a chain reaction. I couldn't get enough, so I had to self-destruct. The heat was on, it was rising to the top. Everybody going strong, hey, that's when my spark got hot. I heard somebody say,
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down, y'all.
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down. Come on, Casey.
Above my head, I hear music in the air.
I hear music.
That lets me know there's a party somewhere.
Satisfaction came with a chain reaction. I couldn't get enough, so I had to self-destruct. The heat was on, it was rising to the top. Everybody going strong, hey, that's when my spark got hot. I heard somebody say,
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down, y'all.
Burn, baby, burn.
Disco Inferno,
Burn, baby, burn.
burn this mother down. Come on, Casey. Hey. We gonna heat it up for the drifters, y'all. That's all. Casey Lee, he's been with me for 10 years, y'all. My drummer, Keith Ledbetter, he's been with me for 8 years, y'all. Hey. Paul Foster on bass, he's been with me for 8 years, y'all. Yes. And over there, that's Joe Dredd on keys. He's been with me for 8 years, y'all. Hey, y'all like that? We warming up yet? Woo! Oh, y'all look great. Listen. Satisfaction came with a chain reaction. I couldn't get enough, so I had to self-destruct. The heat was on, it was rising to the top. Everybody going strong, and so much. Y'all might know this one too. Hey. Yes, sir. If you know it, come on in, down to the front and dance with us just a little bit. I bet you're wondering how I knew. Baby, 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 about the plans to make me blue. With some other girl you knew before. Between the two of us, girls, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say. When I found out it's the don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine?
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Not much longer would you be mine.
How much longer would you be mine?
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Heard it through the grapevine. Just about to lose my mind.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yes, I will. Oh, yes, I am.
Good look, these tears in my eyes. Baby, baby, these tears I can't hold inside. Losing you would end my life, you see. Because you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself not to love so profound. But I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Not much longer would you be mine.
How much longer
Hey,
would you
hey,
be
hey,
mine?
I heard it
Heard it through the grapevine. Just about to lose my mind.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yes, I will. Oh, yes, I am.
Hey, come on, Casey. Woo! Yes. Hey, hey, hey. Be proud of what you see. Hey, and none of what you hear. Baby boy, I just can't help being confused. If it's true, baby, won't you tell me? Do you plan to let me go for the other girl to love? Instead, I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Yes, I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Hey, I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
grapevine.
yeah, I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Hey, just about.
About to lose my mind.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am.
Woo! Come on, Casey, come on. Hey. Y'all look so good out there. Hey. Yes, sir. Listen. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it, heard it.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine.
Yes, I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Woo! Hey. Come on. Yes. Yes, sir. Hey, I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Ooh, I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
I heard it, heard it.
Heard it through the grapevine.
Just about to lose my mind. Oh, yes, I am. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. Woo, y'all are the best morning crowd ever. So I need all of you to go on Facebook and like Nature Blu. BLU, no E on the blue. Like Nature Blu, and then we're gonna keep in contact because you guys are extremely awesome. Thank you. You guys are awesome. So, guess what? You know the Drifters. Do you really? Y'all don't look old enough to know the Drifters. Are you serious? So, all right. 1977, did she say that? Okay. We're gonna play that number just in case we hit, y'all. The band gotta get paid. So anyway, we just did some stuff for you, kind of further up. But when the Drifters come out, when Papa Charlie comes out, y'all gonna have to give him as much energy as you're giving me. That man, since 1988, has been inducted into the Rock and Roller Hall of Fame. I'm proud to call him my father. But just before he comes out, I'm gonna let you know, so he can't use it as a joke. He's gonna tell you that I was conceived in the back seat of his Oldsmobile back in the 60s. I.e. my name, Nature, okay. But right now, we're gonna build it up, and we're gonna take you there, okay? So when he comes on, you'll already be there. Hey! Oh. I know a place, y'all. Ain't nobody crying. Ain't nobody worried. Ain't no smiling faces. No.
Lying to the races.
Yeah. Come on and help me go.
I'll take you there.
Oh, help me now.
I'll take you there.
Oh, help me now.
I'll take you there.
Yeah. Help me, y'all.
I'll take you there.
Hey, y'all ready to go? All the way back to the 50s and 60s. I'm gonna say it again. I know a place, y'all. Ain't nobody crying. Ain't nobody worried, y'all. Ain't no smiling faces.
Lying to the races.
Help me go.
I'll take you there.
Don't you wanna move? Let's go.
I'll take you there.
Help me go.
I'll take you there.
Help me now.
I'll take you there.
Yes. When we get back to that part, I want to hear y'all screaming, okay? Come on, Daddy. Yes, lay on it, y'all. Yes, play your piano now. I know a place, y'all.
I'll take you there.
Ain't nobody crying.
I'll take you there.
Ain't nobody worried, y'all.
I'll take you there.
Ain't no smiling faces.
I'll take you there.
Hey, lying to the races.
I'll take you there.
Hey, help me sing it.
I'll take you there.
Hey, help me sing it.
I'll take you there.
Don't you wanna go with me?
I'll take you there.
Hey, ain't no smiling faces, y'all.
I'll
Now,
take you there.
hey, lying to the races.
I'll take you there.
Break it down, y'all. See, sometimes when life gets all hectic and you run out of hours of the day, sometimes I have to go somewhere in my mind, like in the beach, if I can't make it. You know, I actually have a prayer room I go to meditate. Anybody meditate? Yes. Do a little bit of yoga. That was a lie. Okay. But sometimes I gotta sing about it. Hey. Oh, I gotta sing about it, y'all. Hey. Sometimes, look, I cry about it. You ever cry about it? I cry about it, y'all. It's all right to cry sometimes. Oh, I cry about it, y'all. Hey, sometimes I cry about it, y'all. Look, and when singing and crying don't work, now I don't care if you sue me, but guess what? I gotta pray about it. Oh, I pray about it, y'all. You gotta pray about it sometimes. Oh, I pray about it, y'all. Hey, hey, I pray about it, y'all. I want to thank you so much for coming out today. And God bless you on your staff appreciation day. We appreciate you so much. Next up will be Charlie Thomas and the Drifters, y'all. Y'all better keep this energy going. Thank you so much. Hey, I'm gonna go.
I'll take you there.
Hey, yeah, I gotta go.
I'll take you there.
Come on, go with me.
I'll take you there.
Don't you wanna go with me?
I'll take
Thank
you
you so
there.
much, y'all. Drifters in my band, y'all. Woo! Good morning.
I'll take you there. Hey, I'll take you there. Yeah, hey, I got to go there. I'll take you there anywhere you wanna go. Oh, let's go to Elon College. I'll take you there. Let's go to Elon College. Yeah, let's go. Come on, dog. I'll take you there. Well, 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 well. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Don't need no train. I'll take you there. Don't want no Greyhound bus. I'll take you there. I'll walk. I'll take you there. Come on. I'll take you there. Oh, come on. I'll take you there. Got to go with me. I'll take you there. You got to go with me. Hey, I'll take you there. Charlie Thomas Drifters right there. Give it to him. Come on, Elon, wake up this morning. Hey, anybody have pancakes this morning? Forget about it. You in Elon College, you might get anything. Don't worry about it. Just fall in love with it. Huh? Huh? I said, huh? Huh? I said, huh? Huh? I'll take you there. Do it. Huh? Huh? I'll take you there. That's Elon. I'll take you there. Elon College. I'll take you there. Can we stop it or keep it going? I'll take you there. One more time, say. Thank you very much. Hey, give my daughter a hand right there. Nature Blu. Hey man, how you doing this morning, all right? Yeah, nice to have you on that microphone down there. Don't be cutting me off and carrying on. I like to hear me talk. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm Charlie Thomas, that's my name. Hey, I've been with the Drifters ever since the Drifters, Climax Patton, Benny King. Oh man. They had wonderful lead singers. There you go, baby. There you go. Now I can hear me. You work with me. Just work with me. Hey, Elon, listen. Just party. Let your hair down. If you can't let it down, take it off, put it in the chair. Ain't nobody gonna bother you. Here, Benny King and I joined the Drifters the same time. I guess some of you wasn't even here, but you're here now. Hey, let me hear everybody say, party, 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 party. All right, you must have had a couple of eggs over easy. hey, listen. Say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. On Broadway. Say there's always magic in the air. On Broadway. But when you're walking down that street and you ain't had enough to eat, the glitter rub right off and you know where's that? On Broadway. Sure. They say the girls are something else. On Broadway, on Broadway. Yeah. But looking at them just give me the blues. On Broadway. I don't know how you're gonna make some time when all you have is one thin dime. And one thin dime won't even shine your shoes. On Broadway. Sure. They say that I won't last too long on Broadway. On Broadway. Well, I'll catch a Greyhound bus for home, they all say. On Broadway. I don't play guitar, I know they are. I can play that there guitar, and I won't quit till I'm a star. Oh, play me a little guitar there, Junior. Will you look good? Oh, yeah. Help him out, Nate. Help him out a little bit. Get. Play guitar. I know. Give him my hand there. I can play that there guitar, and he won't quit till he's a star. On Broadway. On Broadway. Hey, Broadway. On Broadway. Oh, funky Broadway. On Broadway. Hey, Broadway. On Broadway. Say you're mighty clean. Walking on Broadway. Got to walk. Walking on Broadway. Got to walk. Walking on Broadway. Side to side. Walking on Broadway. Hey. Walking on Broadway. Yes, sir. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you kindly. I'm here. I am here. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow. They've been putting me all around the globe here and so far. I don't know. I've been going back to New York City and going to Carolina. Boy, I used to shag all down Carolina. That was before shag even happened, you know what I mean? But I always kept me a pint of moonshine. So, I don't want everybody. They don't make that stuff like they used to no more. You know? So me and the old guys, we got to suffer and look at the little young guys out here rapping and carrying on. Ain't nothing in the world like the good old rock and roll. Never will be. Am I right? This magic moment, so different and so new, but like any other. Until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too. By the look sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, would last forever. And forever till the end of time. Oh, magic moment, magic moment. So long, so long, so long. Hey, 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 hey. Give the band some love, folks. Give the band some love. Give them keyboard. Give them a little keyboard. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh. Sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, would last forever. Thank you much. Thank you, Connie. That's my daughter right here, y'all. That's my daughter. Can she sing? Can she sing? Yeah. I got grandchildren and some great-grandchildren. Hey, back in the day, you know, we used to get in the back seat of the automobile. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, I got older on this, you know. So, and I got in the car one morning and I heard somebody say, "Daddy." And I looked around. It was her. It was her. I don't know if she came out the back seat or not, but she came. She's here. And she's beautiful and a beautiful singer, and I love her dear. Give it up. Give it up for Nature. Nature. When this old world starts getting me down and people are just too much for me to face, I climbed way up to the top of the stairs and all of my cares just grew right into space. On the roof, the only place I know, where you just have to wish to make it so. Let me tell you now, when I come home feeling tired and weak, I go up where the air is fresh and sweet. I get away from the hustling crowd and all that rat race noise down in the street. Yeah. On the roof, the only place I know, where you just have to wish to make it so. Let's go up on the roof. Yeah, la 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 come on and go with me, I tell you. Hey, hey. We'll have a rock and roll time, you see. Hey, at night the stars put on a show for free. Hey, and there below the world can't bother me. I keep a telling you, right smack dab in the middle of town, I found a paradise. It's trouble-proof. Trouble-proof. And if this world starts getting you down, there's room enough for two up on the roof. Up on the roof. Up on the roof. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, come on, honey. Everything is up. Right? Okay. Hey, it's the groove. Get back on that rockin'. Come on, get together, fellas. Huh? Hey, hey, hey. Rock and roll in the house today. Get it. Do it. Put your body in the good time way. Get right. Get back. The groove. Make your body want to move. Up your back on that rock. Come on, get down with me, will you? Hey, hey. Rock and roll and have some fun. Take your time. You got to get down. Rock and roll will always be around. One more time, make up your own down mind. Got the groove, get right. And one more time, one more time. Just one more time, I tell you, baby, doggone it. Make it clean. Out. Take it on out here, baby. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord, Elon College. Oh, man. I used to come in with a gentleman that looked like Chuck Berry back in the days. I don't think Elon was grown as it is now, but it's beautiful now. You did a mighty good job, kids. You did a beautiful job. Y'all didn't touch it. You didn't find that moonshine that I buried back there. In 19 ooh, Lord. That, I love that. Yeah, listen. You can dance, every dance with the guy that gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. And you can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. Don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you go. If you know it, let me hear you say it. Say the last dance. Oh, go ahead, Elon. I hear you say it again. Say, hey, oh, I know that the music shine like sparkling wine. Go and have your that's moonshine.
Oh, I know.
Laugh and sing.
Yes, I know.
But while we're apart,
Oh, I know.
don't give your
Yes, I
heart to anyone.
Oh, I know. Yes, I know.
Don't forget who's taking you home. And everyone all together, let me hear you say the word. Say,
the last dance.
ooh, quietly now, quietly say, baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? Baya, mera, baya. I would never, never let you go. I love you oh so much, sure. You can dance, Hey, go carry you on dance. Till the night is gone and it's time to go.
You can dance.
And if he asks,
You can dance.
if you're all alone, can he walk you home?
Dance.
You must tell him no, no, no.
You can dance.
Don't forget who's taking you home. And in who's everyone all together. Come on and join me and say
The last dance. Save the last dance for me. Save the last dance for me.
Thank you much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, folks. God bless you. Hey, look at that. Hey, man. Hey. Whatever you do, stay in college. Stay in college. I mean, I used to go here, Elon, back in the days, and they used to have parties and have all that good old moonshine in them fire department things. What them things on the wall there? Duke University. I used to go all over Carolina when I was y'all age. I'm 84 years old. I'm moving on. I can't help it. I can't help it. I made it. And I saw the globe. You could see the world is a beautiful place. But stay and get your education. And take care of America. Please take care of America. Do that, please. Do that. And my daughter Nate. I got some boys and girls. Every time I go to a town, they say, "Hey, Dad." Yeah. But they're right there. They support me. They're beautiful, right? All across Carolina. Right there. Jeffrey. The one in the middle, he make me a grandpa. One day, maybe. Yeah. Oh, girls, please, lady. I'd rather do it myself. Yeah, but that's her husband. And the band, give the band the love. Give it to the love. That's all right. That's okay. And God bless us all. Bless all of us up here for entertaining you and keeping you happy. And we love you. Believe me. When we first set foot in Elon College, they gave me a bowl of greens, macaroni and cheese, and gave me one of them half smoked and all of that. I want to give me a pork chop, but I don't eat that kind of meat. I don't. Just give me what you got. See, because I told the guys in the dressing room, I said, my wife don't cook. That girl don't know how to cook an egg. And I'm glad, thank God for McDonald's. But I'm not lying to you. I mean, but I love her. I mean, everybody, love is all over the world, and everyone love each other, and we'll get it done. Go ahead, man. This is my very first song that I recorded with the Drifters. Benny King wrote this song. A whole lot of people know Bill Pinkney. He was the cause of me beginning with the Bill Pink. It says this. Boom, boom. Here he goes. Here he goes. Boom, boom. There goes my baby, moving on down the line. Wonder where she is bound. I broke her heart. It made her cry. Now I'm alone, so all alone. What can I do? What can I do?
There goes my baby.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There goes my baby.
Whoa, alone. So all alone now. I just wanna tell her that I love her and that I need her beside my side to be my guide. I wanna know where is my Thank you much, folks. Thank you kindly. Thank you so much. With my little dish rag. Yeah, uh-oh. My best friend, Benny King, recorded this song. He said, Charlie boy, said, I got a hit. I said, yeah. He said, I'll bring it to you. When we was in Chicago with Etta James and Chuck Jackson back in the days. He said, I'll bring it back to Chicago when I go to New York and get it. And this is the song that he brought back to Chicago. It says these words, says, when the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, Lord have mercy. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by. I got to talk about her a little bit. She looks so good. I said, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, whoa, ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, Lordy, Lordy, Lord. I knew I could get her. I kept on rapping. I said, oh, 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 oh. She looks so good. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got to call my main man on the fella. His name was say, Cupid, draw back your bow, hey, and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. That's when nature was born. That's when nature was born. I said, oh, Cupid, please hear my cry. Let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me. And I hear something saying, come on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hey, woman. I love you. I've got to get back home. I tell ya, get back, get back, get back. Don't you know
That's the sound of the men working on the chain gang.
well, don't you know
That's the sound of the men
they're
working on the chain gang.
What you say? What you say? What you say? Oh. What? What you say? Don't be afraid. Get right. I keep working. Say,
That's the sound of the men
they're
working on the chain gang.
They're working hard every day.
That's the sound of the men
They're trying to
working on
get the pay.
chain.
I heard one say, I've got to get back home. I've got to get back. I've got to get back. Hey, get back home. I tell ya, I've got to get on back. I've got to get back home. Baby, Lord, baby. Whoa, baby. Hey, honey, you gonna give me a little... Come on, give the love to the band. And Nature, my daughter here. Yeah, she told me, get on down to Elon. We want to work with you. She tell me that. I said, yeah. I was on my way to Hawaii, but I looked at all that fire. I said, no, I'm cooked enough. I said, I'm going down to Elon College and do this with my daughter. Yeah. I got to go to Chicago after I leave here. I'll be going, still moving across the globe, old man. You've been good to me. You bought all my records, all the Drifters. The records is sung from Bill Pinkney, and you've been good to me. I'm still here with you. Just remember Charlie Thomas is still here with you. Listen, remember this. When the sun beats down and burns the tar up on the roof, and your shoes get so hot you wish your tired feet was fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby. This way, get your hands together. This way, get them up there and wave them like this. Say, under the boardwalk. Out, yeah, sitting down too. Under the boardwalk. Hey, get your hands up. Under the boardwalk. People walking above. Under the boardwalk. We'll be falling in love. Under the boardwalk. Okay, relax. From the park you hear the happy sound of a carousel, and you can almost taste the hot dogs and French taters, y'all, taters. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby. It's where I'll be. Everybody say it out for me. Let me hear you say, under the boardwalk. Out of the, where's that? Under the boardwalk. Hey, we'll be having some fun. Under the boardwalk. Sure. People walking above. We'll be falling in love. Under the boardwalk. Well, boardwalk. Go ahead, girl. Shake what your mama and daddy gave you. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea. flanking with my baby is where I'll be. Everybody, come on, sing and say, under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, man, we'll be having some fun. Under the boardwalk, people walking above, we'll be falling in love. Under the boardwalk, boardwalk. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you kindly, folks. Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you, gentlemen. Thanks so much. Thank you. I'm gonna have to get out of here. I gotta go. I gotta go find my moonshine. Are you kidding me? I found my corn liquor out there in the backyard. I know I buried it back there in 19, I can't remember when, but I know I buried it back there before you was born, half of you. I know. University. There's nothing wrong with it. He on my case. That's my man. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause, Elon. Yeah. He's all right. There's nothing wrong with it. Lighten it there. Oh man, we get a senior citizen moment together. You know what I'm saying? I ain't the only one get senior citizen. Shagging around there. Yeah. Me and you gonna shag? No, I might do the split and can't get up. Hey, you don't want to see nature back here crying. You know you make me wanna shout, pick my hands up, shout, get my heels up, shout, get my legs up, shout, get my arms up, shout, get my hands up, shout, get my feet up, shout, get my hips up, shout, get it all up, shout, don't forget to say you will. Shout. Hey, don't forget to say yeah. Say you will. Say it right on back. Say you will. Say it right on back, y'all. Say you will. Say it right on back. Say you will. Hey. Why don't you shout? Say that you love me. Shout. Say that you want me. Shout. Say that you have me. Shout. Say that you hold me. Shout. Say that you love me. Shout. Say that you want me. Shout. Say that you need me. Shout. I want you to know. I want you to know right now. And you've been good to me, babe. Hey, better than I've been to myself. And if you ever leave, I don't want nobody else. I don't want nobody else. You know you make me wanna shout. Get your hands up, shout. Get your feet up, shout. Get your hips up, shout. Get your arms up, shout. Get up, shout. Get up and shout. Got to jump up and shout. Got to get up and shout. Got to jump up and shout. Hey, 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 hey. Got to get out, shout, find my moonshine, shout. Thank you, God bless you, take care, okay? Shout. got to get up and shout. Got to shout. Got to shout. Got to shout. Got to get up and shout. Got to come on and shout. Got to jump up and shout. Got to get up and shout. Got to shout. Got to jump up and shout. Got to go on and shout. Got to come on and shout. Got to get up and shout. Don't fall. Shout down. Shout. Don't shout. Shout. Hey. Hey. Shout. Thank you very much. We love you here. Shout.